Gonna be replacing the power steering pump on Audi RS6. It's a used pump, but it's in pretty good condition because that one makes a wheeling noise. I never done that before, and I'll try to do it today. We'll show you. We'll try to show you how much as we can. This is the pump. It's the OEM one. It's used but in pretty good condition, and I have a pulley. We'll show on the next step how we're gonna put the other pulley, the lightweight pulley, and install it.
Yeah, I am with my crew, there's no room for you. Yeah, I am in your face, there's no other place. Party starting now, time is running out. Turning up the bass, make this place ablaze. Faded in my dreams, too much alcohol. No, we'll never stop, party till we drop. Party starting now, time is running out. Let's turn up the bass, make this place ablaze. Ablaze. Make this place ablaze.
Those are the screws for the bumper. We gotta take those off for bumper removal.
Yeah, I am with my crew, there's no room for you. Yeah, I am in your face, there's no other place. Party starting now, time is running out. Turning up the bass, make this place ablaze. Faded in my dreams, too much alcohol. No, we never stop, party till we drop. Party starting now, time is running out. Let's turn up the bass, make this place ablaze. Ablaze. Make this place ablaze. Make this place ablaze.
All this origami, all this origami, all this origami.
So we have the bumper out. How I said before, I never have done that, and I've been doing some research. We gotta do the radiator support in a service position. That's what I'm gonna try to do right now.
Got me going kamikaze. Now I'm counting up this money like I'm rolling in wasabi and chopping up that cabbie. Just call me Johnny Karate. I don't think they ready. I don't think they ready. I'm about to drop it like I'm holding something heavy. I got sushi in my belly with groupies in my telly. Y'all peanut butter jelly, we get Gouda like a deli. I'm trying to keep it level-headed. Now that I got some credit, going hard in the paint like Picasso with a fetish. And I've been living dirty. You should call the clergy, go and pray for me, homie. All this currency is cursing me. All this origami, all this origami, all this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm going, 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 going,
Go with kamikaze like.
is the power steering pump that we gotta replace today. Now we have access to it. Let's do it.
Yeah, now I'm getting paper. I call it origami. Cause I've been flipping shit like I've been cooking teppanyaki. Yo, I tell them sayonara. This ain't no Benihana. I've been serving raw shit you chop up with the katana. Yeah, these bitches getting saucy like chicken teriyaki. So I take them to the dojo and I wax them like Miyagi. Because I've been living dirty. You should call the clergy, go and pray for me, homie. All this currency is curse me. All this origami, all this origami, all this origami got me going kamikaze. Now I'm going
kamikaze like. Kamikaze like.
all this origami, all this origami.
This is the pump that we took it out. It has 2 mounting bolts on the front, and it has 1 bolt on the top. This one is the tough one to take it out because it's all the way in, and you gotta put the wrench right there and take it out. So I have already the other pump in. As you can see, I put the intake already in, and the radiator it's already fixed right here. Now that I have everything out, I'll do the valve cover gaskets as well.